In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust layers in Canva create multi-layer effect. By the end, you'll know how to view every element in your design. Change the stacking order and build a clean multi-layer look with simple, reliable controls. Start by opening your design in Canva. With your design on the canvas, click any element you want to work with. Look at the top toolbar and select Position. Then open the Layers tab. This panel shows all the elements in your design and how they're stacked. Think of it like sheets of paper. Items at the top of the list sit in front and items lower down sit behind. If something is hard to click on the canvas because it's underneath another item, selecting it from the Layers panel is a quick way to take control. To change the stacking order, use the Layers panel to reorder elements. Click and hold a layer, then drag it up or down to move it in front of or behind other items. You'll see the result right away on your canvas. This is the most precise way to organize complex layouts, especially when you have overlapping shapes, photos, or text. You can also make quick adjustments directly on the canvas. Right? Click an element and choose Bring Forward to move it one step up or Send Backward to move it one step down. This is helpful when you only need a small nudge rather than a full reorder. If something is still not visible, repeat the command until it sits where you want in the stack. Then confirm its position in the Layers panel. Now, let's create a clean multi-layered effect, like a text or image overlay. Start by duplicating the element you want to layer. This could be a text box or an image. With two copies, adjust the top layer's size or color to create contrast. For example, a slightly larger or differently colored top layer can make the bottom layer act like a border or backdrop. Next, with the top layer selected, open the Effects menu. Try options like hollow text or shadows to add depth and separation. Subtle shadows, glow, or outline. Style effects can make the top layer pop without overwhelming the design. When you are happy with the look, go back to Position and the Layers panel to confirm the intended element is on top of the stack. So the effect reads clearly. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.